do a quick overview. So we have the battery in the back, really good balance point, pretty lightweight, easy to use. We have an on button there, so you put the battery in, turn it on there, turn green. You have your automatic adjustment here. You don't have to keep pressing the trigger. Obviously the trigger there. You have the shoulder attachment there for the lanyard, and then it attaches there on the front. That's the opposite side. Overall, pretty lightweight, pretty powerful. Looks pretty good too. Today we have the Makita XGT 40-volt blower. We'll try her out and see what you think. Full battery.